Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your iPhone Hotspot Wi-Fi to PC or laptop. So first up, what you need to do is to open your settings on your iPhone. And then from here, just make sure that cellular data is turned on. So once cellular data is toggled on, go back to settings and then open personal hotspot. So here, just make sure allow others to join is toggled on, and then make sure to note your Wi-Fi password. So you're going to use this Wi-Fi password to open this Wi-Fi or this hotspot on your laptop or PC. So for laptop, you can readily access the Wi-Fi as long as the laptop can detect it. So just enter the Wi-Fi on your laptop. So the name should be your iPhone's name, and then use the password given here so that the laptop can access the personal hotspot. But do take note that if you're using a computer or PC, you might need to use a Wi-Fi receiver or dongle because normally PCs cannot access Wi-Fi directly. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.